Now we'll find out what the baby wants. Wow, she wants a watermelon. Will you do it? Can you do it? Well, if my sister wants a watermelon, then here you go. I'm off to rest. Call me when I win.
Now we'll set up all the equipment. Oh, what's that noise? It's a watermelon. Well, and our grandmother. Don't fall anymore.
Oh, okay, chef. What did I want? A watermelon. Now we will make watermelon fresh. Let's open the watermelon and use a blender. Oh, how to stop it? Oh, okay. I have to be very nice and gentle. Oh, there we go. Only seeds remain.
Why use that? I think the baby doesn't want a watermelon. She wants a watermelon cake. This is a baby. They like sweets. I have already prepared the dough for biscuits. We pour it into molds, and now the most interesting thing is coloring. I recently bought some new dyes. I really want to try it. Let's start with this one. It's very tasty. Let's pour the dyes into our dough and mixing it. Oh, what a delight! Look at these colors! So, we have done the most difficult part. It remains to bake it. Well, I'll wait for you. While my cakes are being prepared, I can… work out a little. Oh, the chef is kind of weird. Okay, I've whipped up the inside of the watermelon. Now we can make jelly. And some honey, of course. I collected it this morning. We pour everything in. Oh, perfect. Oh, what is this? Oh, he wants my honey. I won't give it. This is for my granddaughter. I'll catch you. Oh, there you are. Oh, Katie, I'm sorry, darling.
Oh, what was that? Oh, it hurts so bad.
That's really funny. So, here's our last one, and we need full concentration. Making the perfect shape. That's perfect. Moving on to cream. Oh, I wish you knew how good it is. And I'll use this little spatula to make it even. Perfect. Now, let's take some colors. No wonder Mom sent me to art school before cooking. This thing is actually looking like a watermelon now. Let's not forget about the green pattern. There you go. This is a watermelon cake.
Wow. Oh, I have, mine are not that beautiful, actually. Oh, what about me? I'll cut it now. There we go. I think I did a very good job, too. Well, let's cut it. I hope the baby will like it. It looks amazing, actually. Oh, perfect. Moving on. Oh, did you do that on your own? It looks great. And what do I have? Just a watermelon. Okay, I'll fix it now. I'll pour my favorite Fanta into the watermelon. I will get a watermelon with a taste of soda, and it's pretty cool. I'm so smart. Everything looks so appetizing! What is this? Jelly watermelon? We need to try it! It tastes like honey! I love honey!
This is absolutely delicious. What is this? Sis decided not to try and give me a regular watermelon with soda. Okay, let's try it. I'm cutting it and… Wow! Is it blue inside? It looks so cool! Let's try it soon! Watermelon with berry Fanta flavor! Cool! And what's here? Let's try it. I'm gonna cut a piece. What? It's rainbow cake! Wow! This was my dream! Oh, this is so yummy! Chef, you're the best! You're the winner!
Oh yeah, I'm the best. Have you heard that? I'm the best! Baby, what are you going to ask for this time? Wow, those are Oreo cookies.
1 second. I brought something. I always have a case with different chocolates from all over the world. I only use it in very important challenges like this one. These are perfect. First, I'll crack some chocolate. Yeah. The more, the better. And even more. And more, and more. Now, let's arm ourselves with my flammable buddies. Ha! We'll melt down our chocolate friends a little. Great. Take note, it's actually pretty cool. Perfect. Moving on. Oh, it's too hot! Oh no! My hands! But we need to pour the chocolate into the mold! Oh, I'm doing it! Oh, that's it! Oh, it was very hot. My hands almost melted.
Oh, you're a professional, of course. So, I'm almost ready with the dough. And we're gonna add some cacao. It's gonna be chocolate dough. Well, I definitely know how to make dough. I'm making these little round circles and we're baking them. Oh, perfect. How pretty they turned out. My granddaughter will definitely like it. Kate, what do you think?
Granny, why make waffles? My sister drew an Oreo. Maybe you could just wipe your glasses. Opening the packaging, putting it on a plate, and perfect. Don't be upset, Grandma. You'll win another round. Oh, they're so amazing and I'm so hungry. Well, I'll just try one piece. I think nothing will happen. Oh, I'm just going to lick it up. Oh, it's amazing! Just perfect! I need everything! Oh yes, it's so delicious! I can't stop! Who made these cookies?
Oh, maybe we should stop her? Write in the comments, and I'll continue to cook Oreo according to my author's recipe. Waffles plus peanut butter paste and plus waffle. Ready! Perfect Oreos from your beloved grandmother. What about you, Chef?
Well, I have the perfect Oreo. I have already prepared all the necessary layers. And we're moving on. It remains to lay out the pattern. And it's gonna look like the original cookie. Perfect. Ready! The perfect huge pink Oreo is ready. What's going on with Kate? This was so good. Wait, what? The last cookie? Did I eat everything? Oh, what a nightmare. What should I do? Oh, right. I have some Hubba Bubba paste. It looks very cool and it's actually very tasty. We can make cute bubbles out of it. Let me show you. Wow! It looks awesome.
I will use it instead of that previous filling. It'll be amazing. I can't wait to see her reaction. What kind of yummy food has been prepared this time? Wow, is that a huge Oreo? It looks great. I want to try it. Wow, it's chocolate. But it's really uncomfortable to eat. Okay, let's leave it. And what is this? It looks delicious. We should try it soon. Not bad. But I'm not amazed. This looks more interesting. It's Oreo, but why is the filling pink? Wow, it smells great and that's gum inside. Cool, that's so unusual. I really like it. And can I blow bubbles? Wow, it's so cool. Sisters Oreo win. Really? I won? Hooray, I'm so cool! Chef, there you go! This time, I want pancakes.
Oh, easy as pie. I'm the best at pancakes.
No way. I'll make the best pancakes. I allow you to be the best after me.
How to cook pancakes? Well, improvisation is my everything. Now we will mix in a blender everything. And, well, something will turn out. What to mix then? Like this, some milk. What else? Maybe some flour. I hope that's enough. I actually don't have any more. Well, let's turn it on. Oh goodness! Everything is flying all over! I'll have to turn it off! Somebody stop this flour storm! It seems to have stopped. I have flour everywhere, but the dough is ready. Now we should bake it. I think it's pretty cool. And there's a real fight between Grandma and the chef.
I have everything under control. I'm starting to bake right now.
What? With this frying pan? Seriously? Ha! That's so funny. This is what you should be using. This is a professional pan for professionals.
Oh, whatever. I'm starting to bake. Pouring some oil so that nothing burns.
You have oil leak in that frying pan. The oil dispenser has been invented a long time ago. Well, the ideal amount and my pancakes will be not only delicious, but also healthy. What do you have there?
I'll win. No, I'm going to win. Look what I can do. You haven't seen that, I'm pretty sure.
What? You think it's impressive? Now look at this. This is real experience. Perfect. The perfect landing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Are you guys fighting or what's going on? What's the matter with you today? I've already made my huge pancake. Now I'll just peel it off from the frying pan. Oh! Pancake, wait, don't fly away! Oops, right in the trash? What a nightmare. I've been doing it all for nothing.
A brilliant idea came to me. I will improve my pancakes. I will cook them in the shape of a heart. Perfect. I hope the baby will appreciate it. I put all my love into these pancakes. Adding a little syrup, berries, and some hearts. Perfect. What do you think, Chef?
It's so funny that my stomach is literally hurting. Look at my hands. I'm pouring 2 chocolate pastes into the mold at the same time. When the baby picks it up, it'll be delighted. That's so cool.
Wow, it looks cool, but guys, stop fighting. The baby will decide on everything. Oh, they have such beautiful pancakes. What about me?
I actually have an idea. I have a donut. It's round and plump. But we can flatten it. There you go. A pancake. Wait, where is it? Oh, there's my pancake. Well, it's better. Wow, everything looks great. Except this one. What is that? A pan? How to tear it off? Oh, it's kind of scary to even try. I don't want that. Wow, what cute pancakes! Granny definitely did it. We need to try it soon. A very familiar taste. Delicious pancakes from the best grandma. Thanks, that's perfect. Wow, what's here? We need to lift it up. So beautiful! Chef, you are a genius. We need to try it soon. Yeah, it's delicious. But what to choose? Grandma or Chef?
Choose me!
Not me! I'm the best! I choose Grandma. Yeah, she has the best pancakes.
Me? Oh, hooray! A victory! Chef, did you get that? I'm the queen!
And we'll start today with these waffles. What? Oh, waffles. Well, it's easy. Careful, evil waffle maker. Boo! Are you afraid? Okay, let's start. I'll take a bowl. Flour, milk, and eggs. I pour the flour into a bowl. Break 2 eggs. Pour milk. And now I need to mix it all well with a whisk. This is the last century, Grandma. I have a professional hand mixer for the dough. Ingredients now. Flour, milk, and of course, eggs. Take off the lid and put all the ingredients inside. I will mix everything just like that. Wonderful. The ready-made dough right in the waffle maker. And now, I will cover the future waffle with candy M&Ms. Let's bake. Big deal. I can do it the old-fashioned way. I put the dough in a ladle and distribute it on waffle iron. Not bad at all. And here is my jam. Cherry. I can't open it. Think, Granny, think. Oh, that's right. I'll need some tape. Now I'm going to seal the lid. And now pull. Wow. Grandma has her own life hacks. Now I'll take a pipette and we'll fill it with jam. Like this. Now I will carefully add drops of jam to my waffle. Great. So beautiful. Now you can bake. What's the noise? That's it! Get it! Here! Haha, so cool! Now I'm going to have the perfect cookie crumb. Is it loud? Excuse me. Well, now I need Nutella. Let's try it. What a yummy. Well, too many sweets. And now Oreo cookies and milk. I'll mix them right in the jar with Nutella. I'll close it and shake it well. And I pour this dough into a waffle iron. It's ready. Interesting. Oh, my waffle is ready. what a fragrance. It's time to put it on a plate and start decorating. Strawberry syrup pattern will be perfect for my waffle. Delicious. Ooh, mine is ready too. Let's see. Huh, why doesn't it come off? Okay, let's try another way. Come on. That's it. Now I'll make another one. I'll pour the dough and bake. What about you, Grandma?
My waffle is ready too. It smells so good. And how appetizing it looks. The only thing left is to sprinkle with powdered sugar. Well, just perfect.
Hooray! The second waffle is ready. Now I'll add whipped cream to the first one. And some more for myself. I'll cover the second waffle on top. And now, the chocolate! You just need to melt them with iron. Just a few seconds and liquid chocolate is ready. Now I'm going to make a chocolate flake. First milk chocolate. Now white. With white one, I'll just make some letters. Let's put it on top, and my Oreo waffle is ready. Oh, such a beauty. Oh, everyone is ready. I think it's time for Jess to try. Wow, so many things. I'll probably start with this one. Ouch. What is this solid here? Is that a bone? Oh, I almost broke my tooth. That's enough for me. Now I'll try the rainbow one. Not bad. I like it. So what do we have here? Wow, Oreo waffle. Insanely delicious. Well, this is definitely a winner. Really? My waffle won! Yay! So now I want cake pops. Can you handle it? Easy. I can solve that problem. I'm going to need white chocolate, and I'm going to melt it in a saucepan. I light the fire and stir it so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, just what I need. I'll take the curd cheese and put it in a bowl. Now I'll add the chocolate mix and stir everything with the mixer. That's it. Now, we need to put everything in a pastry bag with the help of a spoon. It is necessary to fill it with cream to the limit. Well, perfect. Now you squeeze it into special molds and cover them with the second half. The only thing left is to put sticks in the hole, and you can put the cream in the refrigerator. This way is very convenient. Stay here for a little while, my dear.
Well, here are my fresh berries. There is a cherry here. We need to get rid of the bone somehow. That's right, I have a pen. I'll use it to get them. So easy. Now I will remove the bones from all the other cherries. Great. Now we should melt the chocolate. I'll break it to melt it faster. That's what I need. And of course, I need to stir the chocolate so it doesn't burn. And instead of sticks, my knitting needles will do.
string them on each cherry and dip them in chocolate. Ah, yeah, that's just right. So beautiful. Well, if you need chopsticks, then I'll take them from Chupa Chups. You just have to eat caramel. Well, I can handle it. And here are Kinder Surprises. Just what I need. I'll take the foil off of them. And sticks are already ready. Now I'll put them in chocolate eggs. That's it! My cake pops are almost ready. We just need to decorate them with whipped cream. I have such cute hats here. Well, and where do we go without syrup, right? Each candy will have its own color. That's what I came up with, of course. So cool. It seems it's time to get cake pops out of the refrigerator. I can feel this wonderful fragrance. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfection. I already prepared some decorations. I know that Jess loves princesses. So with the help of a pastry bag, I will make a beautiful pattern of cream. Now I will add sugar beads, and then I will fix the princess on top. Voila! It turned out magnificent. And everyone is so different. What is that noise?
That's it. We crush nuts the old-fashioned way. And now you can decorate my sweets with nut crumbs. That's it. I think it's time for you to try, Jess.
Wow! You have prepared so many! I'll start with these chocolate eggs. What a delicious cream on top! I bite. Wow! There's a toy inside! What's there? Oh, what a cute ring with a rabbit! Look, now I have a whole collection of such rings! I'll wear them all! Wow, I'm such a fashionista! Well, let's see what Grandma has prepared. How delicious! Ooh, cherry inside. What's here? Oh, they're princesses! I just love them! Which one should I start with? Such beautiful dresses. Well, let's start with this one. Let's try. What a delicate and delicious cream inside. Who give a victory to? Maybe… Well, okay. The chef definitely won. Oh, thank you, Jess, for appreciating my efforts. And now I want a real Italian lasagna.
We start on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
For the start, I need to sift some flour for the dough. Now I create a recess in the break, 2 eggs in them. I'll knead it well so that there are no lumps. And now I'll cut it into several identical pieces. I will add dye to each one of them so it's multicolored. That's it, 5 colors. Wonderful. It's time to get behind the pasta machine. I take a piece of dough and roll it into the machine to the desired thickness. And so with all the pieces. It's not that easy. Now, I will cut out the rectangles with a slicer. I remove the excess and it's done. Let's take my blender and throw cheese in there and crumble it into fine crumb. I will divide it into 5 identical portions and also add dye. Let the cheese be multicolored too. The main thing is to mix it well. It's time to collect lasagna. And here are special dishes. A layer of dough, then a layer of cheese, then more dough, more cheese. Repeat until all the ingredients run out. And on top, I'll put cheese of all colors at once. Perfect! It's time to put it in the oven. I put it inside. Light on the fire with a special long match. Close the door and wait.
Look at this. One more life hack from Granny. Let's put the package here so the cheese does not drop on the table while I grate it. Oh, it's not easy. That's it. And now a special pasta for lasagna. I put the leaf in the mold and cheese on top. It's time for my meat grinder. I'll wrap minced meat on my lasagna right away. That's it. I'm continuing with the layers. And now, tomato juice on top. Freshly squeezed, of course. Whoa, great. What I need. Now I'll put it in the oven. Important part is to set the correct temperature.
What if we use chips instead of layers? I'll pour them into a frying pan and pour ketchup over everything. Now Cheetos. And cheese sauce on top. So cool. What else? That's it, Doritos. I'll try one. How spicy! Okay, we should add more cheese. Now I'll cover it with the lid. It won't close. Oops. The cheese is stuck to the lid. Well, okay, it's fine. I'll just cut off the excess with scissors. Mockery of cooking. But my lasagna is ready. I will decorate it with fresh herbs. Bellissimo.
What a fragrance. I'll install a fork for convenience. Hurry up, Jess, try it.
How different they all turned out. I'll start with the rainbow one. Here's a fork. And knife won't hurt either. I cut off a piece. Whoa, how cool! I'll try it now. Delicious! Wow! What now? Perhaps Grandma's lasagna? I'll cut off a piece of her too. Whoa, so hot! Just a delight! So good! What is this in general? Okay, smells nice. I'll try. Ouch! How spicy! I definitely need to drink something! Grandma's lasagna just saved me. It's definitely the most delicious one. This is a victory.
Did I win? Oh, thanks, Jess. You're the best granddaughter.
So small, I'm so sad. Molly, just look at what I have. Oh my god! Hey, and what about me? I have the biggest one. Cool. Really? So small? Stop laughing at me! Aw, let's try it. It's comfortable to hold it in my mouth at least. It's very tasty. Haha, look at that. It's so funny. Are you out of your mind? What a child. Ah! Ouch! You bit me! Stop it! Are you crazy?
Oh, my little finger. Well, but I've got a candy to calm me down. I can't bite it off. Ooh, I know what to do. I'm going to smash it. That's it. Yeah. And now I can just crunch it. It's so delicious. So good. And it's all mine. I love it. Amazing. Hey, get to your own. Oh, yeah. What should I do with it? Hammer? No, I'll take a sledgehammer.
Wow.
It's up to you how much effort you have to put in. It's so big. Finally broke. Come on. Go. Oh, yeah. Almost done. And some more. And it's over. Perfect. Ooh, yummy. So good. Girls, fly in. Yum. Ooh, yeah, catching up. Yum, yum. Oh, what a cute shark. Pretty. Wow. My shark is a huge predator here. Wow. Whoa. My huge shark! Oh, such a cool one! Cool. But girls, I'm going to start. Okay. I'm trying. Ooh, delicious. But not enough. Oh, it's your turn, Chloe. Oh, yes. How to bite it off. Oh, come on. What should I do? Oh! I can't bite it off! Okay. Do you have any suggestions? Can you help me? Okay, pull. Almost! Woo! Uh-oh. Sorry. But I at least got this half, so I'll start with it. Yum yum. So good. Oh, I think I'm fine. Ooh, marmalade. Hey, please let me take a bite. No, it's all mine. Thank you for helping, though. Aw, pretty. Okay, your turn. Okay, let me see. It's too rubbery, but I know what to do. I took karate lessons. So now, with the help of 2 blades, I'm going to cut everything into small pieces. Whoa, so impressive. Kia! Perfect. Almost done. And just like that, my marmalade turned into marmalade sushi. Now, I'm going to flip them. Up. And again. And again. Just like that. And right into my mouth. So interesting, so funny, and so delicious. I'm done. Bravo! It was impressive! Thank you. What a small portion. It's so hot. I've got an average size, but it's twice as spicy. Whoa! What a nightmare. I agree. I don't want to eat that. Woo! Such a small package. You start. Oh, me? Okay. I'm really glad it's such a small package. I don't want to try any spicy noodles. I guess they're okay. Oh no. There's smoke coming out of my mouth. Oh, that was close. It's your turn. Really? But I don't want to do it. Okay, I've got an idea. I'm going to be right here to take you off. Okay, thank you. Let's do it. Oh, no. So hot already. Oh, no. Oh, cool me off right away. Thank you. Well, now it's your turn. I'm here to help. Okay, well, let's start. Wait, what are you doing? Very suspicious. Hey, I caught you. Stop doing that. I didn't eat anything yet. Okay, let me first eat and then cool me off. Ooh, yeah, so delicious. I love it. But they're also very hot, so I need to eat as fast as possible not to feel it. Oh no, it's coming up! It's coming up! Hey, Chloe! I hear ya! Don't do anything! No, do it! Ah! She said don't do anything. Hey, I don't think it's for that case. Come on, she doesn't need my help. I'm fine, I think. Really? Now? You should have done that a while ago. You told me you would help me, but thanks anyway. Yeah. I'm such a good girl. Such a helper. Oh, what a tiny pack of Hooba Booba. What is that? Ooh. Yeah, I've got an average size. Love it so much. Whoa, what is that? Oh, yeah. This is my baby. Look at that. Such a huge package. Yeah, but such a small one right here. Come on, Chloe, eat up. Okay, fine. Stop laughing at me. Oh, look at that small roll. I need to get it out and chew. Maybe I can even blow a bubble. Oh, look at the tiny one. I don't really see anything. Fine. Let me get you a magnifying glass. See? Yeah, I see it, but it's like extra tiny. That's hilarious. Whew. Well, let me try my Hooba Booba. Yeah. Yummy stuff in my mouth. And I'm going to blow a bubble as well. Watch and learn. See? That's the bubble. Aww. No, girls. Now me. And I'm going to blow the biggest bubble of all. With this roll of gum, I can do anything. So yummy and sweet. I love my gum. Okay, some more. Oh, it's so tasty. Just an explosion of taste. I take one more piece. And another one. Ooh, so good. And roll it like that. Cool, I've got a little roll here. So good. And the last piece. Whew. Here it is. Now watch and learn, girls. The huge bubble. Whoa. That is very big. You should stop.